Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the gallery view database in Notion. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our Notion and we're going to make sure we can see the prompt where it says write something or press space for AI /4 commands. We're going to hit the / button on our keyboard and we're going to start typing gallery view. Once we do that, one of our blocks is going to populate. We're going to click on that. When we click on this, it's going to give us the option if we want to link a database or we want to start and create a new database. If we are linking a current database, that means that you already have data entered in on another page. So for the purpose of this video, I am just going to go in and I'm going to create a new database. Now, once you do that, you're going to see this little block populates. This is where if you have a database already where you would grab the information from, but for this purpose, we're just going to click new gallery. So once we do that, we're going to also see at the top that we have all of these little buttons that we can click on. I did go over this in another video, so I'm not going to go in depth with them here. I will link that video. Once we've clicked on the new gallery, it's going to give you the option if you want to enter in a title. You do have the option by clicking on the three dots next to where it says untitled to hide the title or keep it visible. Now, once we have created our new gallery, you're going to see that we can click on new page. Once we click on new page, it's going to open up what's a peek. In this peek, this is where you're going to enter in your information. You have the option to enter in a title, if you want to add a cover page, if you want to add an icon, any of those things, this is where you're going to customize your page. Now, for this one, it says that we have created it on this date. Then it has the option to enter in tags, and then it has options to enter in properties. So the properties is where you are going to go if you want to change any of these properties where you want to add like a different text or something like that. I did go over this in another video, which I will also link this as well so that you have a better understanding of how this works. You have the option to go in and add a comment. And then at the bottom is where you can add in your information if you have just some data you want to enter in. So once we exit out of this peak, it's going to bring us back to our gallery view. And you can see that this is more of a condensed version of all of your pages, but in a gallery view. In my next video, I'm actually going to show you how you can add the pictures in order to make it a little bit more customizable and visually appealing. But that is how you use gallery view database in Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.